If you are a DoorDasher and you're not 100% sure about vehicle maintenance, this video is just what you need. I put together a list and a checklist of reasons I think vehicle maintenance is important as a DoorDasher from the person who is a DoorDasher now, but used to work in a dealership. You might not think about it, but DoorDashing and food delivery, Uber driving, whatever your courier service may be, that's severe abuse on your vehicle.
See, I really need an oil change.
First thing that I find the most efficient for making your car the most efficient, it's probably overlooked by you. The fuel efficiency comes with a well-maintained vehicle with properly inflated tires. It gets better miles per gallon. Another good reason that I like to stress vehicle maintenance for a courier driver, it's avoiding costly repairs. The most expensive oil change is about $100. If you drive a luxury vehicle, it could go more. But that's still cheaper than a $5,000 motor change or a new car. And my third, it's kind of like a superficial reason that I think vehicle maintenance is your professional reputation.
Once you get the drain plug cracked, you can go on and open that fill lid. Take that fill cap off. It'll vent and drain a lot quicker for you.
A well-maintained vehicle looks, sounds, smells, and performs better. So tire pressure should be the first thing you check, and you should probably check that twice a day on a busy day. Next is your fluid levels. Before you start the car, if any fluid levels are low, fill them, then start the car and go from there. After the car started, you should really check the lighting. Your headlights, your taillights, your turn signals, all of that. You don't want to get pulled over and get a ticket while you're out doing a delivery. That makes you late, that lowers your rating, the customer's mad, they're probably going to take the tip back. Third or fourth is the cleanliness. Your car should be clean on the inside, even though you're not delivering people. They might meet you at the car. The last thing you want to do is have all year's trash on the floorboard of your car. Clean it up. I recommend doing that. That's one of the weekly things, is to wash the outside of your car, but the inside should be done daily. And I think you should detail it monthly. But things like your actual oil change, your brake inspection, stuff like that, I don't think that should be done at a monthly basis because it varies. Like me personally, I don't even change my oil based on the miles. I change it based on the hours I'm operating the engine, because a lot of times I sit and wait for orders with my car running. If it's summertime, I need the AC on. If it's wintertime, I usually got the heat on. So then I do it about every 60 to 80 hours, I change my oil. And I also, when I change the oil, I inspect the brakes, because you use your brakes way more as a delivery driver than you do in normal cars would use. So inspect your brakes and change them as needed. And if you don't know how to change your oil, ask the people who change your oil to look at your brakes. They will let you know. And I might do a video later explaining how to check your brakes. And every 6 to 12 months, I check the battery system. That's your battery. That's the grounds, the cables, the terminals. All of that. Check that. Every 6 months, I like to check my cooling system. And every 12 months, I really like to flush it out annually. I have a older vehicle, high mileage. I like to keep it in good shape, so I flush the radiator and all of that annually. Vehicle maintenance is going to vary from vehicle to vehicle. This is a general video, and I suggest you check with your mechanic or a certified mechanic to see what best suits your vehicle for your daily driving needs as a delivery driver. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.